Insights up front: AI is changing it all, making things easier for us. It changes the way we interact, consume information, obtain goods and services. It does what humans do, but more efficiently, quickly, and at a lower cost. Here we research the recent advancement to answer the question, what are examples of artificial intelligence in healthcare? AI medical analysis. Images from MRI machines, CT scanners, and X-rays can contain large amounts of complex data that can be difficult and time-consuming for humans to evaluate. Leveraging the emerging capability of AI and machine learning can be of help here. AI-based approaches in healthcare enable researchers to see what may slip from the human eye. AI devices can scan images down to individual pixels, offering precise analytics. On a different note, many diagnostic processes nowadays still rely on physical tissue samples obtained through biopsies. This process carries risks, including the potential for infection. Radiological images captured by MRI machines, CT scanners, and X-rays can offer non-invasive visibility into the inner workings of the human body. Experts predict that artificial intelligence will enable the next generation of radiology devices, reliable and detailed enough to replace the need for tissue specimens in some cases. To achieve very close registration, the ground truth for any given pixel should be known. Researchers may also be able to better define the aggressiveness of cancers and target treatments more appropriately. AI diagnoses. Machine learning for healthcare, coupled with improvements in computer processing, gradually contribute to the accuracy and efficiency of diagnosis across various specializations. As an example, AI could collect and analyze patient data gathered from multiple sources such as fitness trackers and at-home monitors and enable physicians to monitor patients' health in ways that time and resources without AI would not permit. The spread of consumer wearables combined with AI is also being applied to oversee heart disease, allowing doctors to detect potentially life-threatening episodes earlier, at more treatable stages. Oncology researchers are using deep learning to teach algorithms to recognize malignant tissues at a level comparable to qualified physicians. Stanford University researchers trained an AI algorithm to detect skin cancer or melanoma using 130,000 images representing disease. The use of AI is enabling review and translation of mammograms 30 times faster with 99% accuracy, reducing the need for unnecessary biopsies. Many businesses are considering the possibilities of the incorporation of big data in the healthcare industry. Large companies such as Microsoft, IBM, Google, and Intel contribute to AI application in healthcare, incorporating big data collected from EHR, imaging, patient-generated, sensor, and other forms of data. Telemedicine in AI. Telemedicine can store and analyze all patient data, predict further changes. They can give recommendations on what kind of nutrition elements are lacking in the body, whether a person needs more physical exercise or sleeping. For example, startup companies such as Lemonade Health uses the findings of AI in healthcare to screen and evaluate patients, so that doctors can form a diagnosis, and prescribe any medications from a remote location. Telemedicine contributes to doctors' convenience, as well. Typically, a physician spends about half of working time filling out EHRs at their desk. Upcoming advancements of artificial intelligence in medicine will reduce this burden and make EHR retrieval easier. A chat interface may collect patient data and store it in such a way that it is immediately retrievable. New drugs creation. Based on data and advanced analytics, AI technology supports the prediction of laboratory experiment outcomes. Combined with clinical development, AI will reduce the number of clinical trials and the duration of studies. Its appeal is straightforward. Using different types of AI, a computer system can come up with and work through different molecules. Then, AI systems can compare the outcomes against various parameters and receive the most promising compounds faster than a human could, and resulting in lower costs. Artificial intelligence is also able to mine through scientific research and patient data and help with the repurposing of old medications. AI surgery. Imaging, navigation, and surgical robotics change operation practice. AI applications brings precision, robustness, safety, and automation in the surgery process. Being able to control the trajectory, intensity, and pace of their movements with high precision, AI robots not only assist surgeons but enhance the accuracy of the human eye and provide more control over every position and movement. Robotic surgery alleviates doctors' fatigue, makes minimally invasive surgery possible. With that said, artificial intelligence can prolong life and extend the boundary of patient survival. AI neural prosthetics. Neuroprosthetics are artificial devices that enhance the nervous system via electrical stimulation to compensate for lacking motor skills, cognition, vision, hearing, communication, or sensory skills. Some examples are brain-computer interfaces (BCIs), spinal cord stimulators (SCS), cardiac pacemakers, etc. While the worldwide upper limb prosthetics value is expected to exceed $2.3 billion by 2025, their agility is not enough. To increase the level of control and give the users genuine autonomy, researchers combined neuroengineering with robotics and AI to semi-automate a part of the motor power for shared control. New brain-to-machine interfaces (BMIs) and bionic hands provide full control over the user's movements. Powered by deep learning method, the robotic hand can react within 400 milliseconds. Selfies Diagnostics. Would you ever thought that a mobile phone could be transformed into a healthcare AI tool? Our phones produce images viable for analysis by artificial intelligence algorithms. These photos become widely used in dermatology, ophthalmology, and even as a tool, identifying children's developmental diseases. The examples we've seen show that AI application becomes a backbone in healthcare challenges solutions across the entire patient journey, from diagnosis to treatment and ongoing health maintenance. Now, when thinking about the adoption of AI technology, you can make an informed decision.